Assalamu alaikum. Am I a munafiq for telling others not to do a sin that I do myself?
Is the person a munafiq for telling other people not to do a sin that they themselves are doing? Yes, you're a munafiq. But you're a munafiq of actions, not a munafiq that push you outside of the religion. إن المنافقين في الدرك الأسفل من النار. The munafiqeen, they're in the lowest part of the hellfire. They're the worst. You're not like that, inshallah. But you're from the munafiq who speaks and he lies. The munafiq who's entrusted with something and he proves to be untrustworthy. When he promises, he breaks the promise. When he argues, the individual becomes abusive and he insults. That's nifaq al-amali. When the companion Hudhayfa knew the names of the hypocrites during the time of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Umar said, Ya Hudhayfa, did the Prophet say that I was a munafiq? Umar did not mean the nifaq, munafiq in the hellfire. Because just as Rasulullah knew the names, he told them the names of munafiqeen, he also told Hudhayfa and the rest of the people, Umar, if there was a Nabi after me, it would be Umar. Umar is in Jannah. I saw Umar's castle in Jannah. So Umar wants to know, am I from the munafiqeen? But over here he knows he's in Jannah. He wasn't talking about that nifaq of the hellfire. So we don't want anybody who is, practicing the religion and you're debating and you're talking to the people of at-Tashayyur and they bring you all of these strong shubahat that are bigger than your hajam. They're bigger than you because they're in the Qur'an. They're in the Sunnah. Big. Have you doubt in this religion? Have you doubt in the position of the companions? Ya Hudhayfa, did the Nabi say that I was a munafiq? He said no, and I won't tell anyone after you. So it's nifaq of actions. Allah mentioned in the Quran about the munafiqeen, يَقُولُونَ بِأَلْسِنَتِهِمْ مَا لَيْسَ فِي قُلُوبِهِمْ. They say with their tongues what's not in their hearts. They don't believe that, so they're not going to do it. When they stand up for salat, they stand up يَقَامُونَ kusala. They stand up lazy, and so that the people can see them. So the one who is telling people not to do something, they're doing it, or telling people to do something, they're not doing it, that is nifaq of actions. It could be as it relates to sins.